right, we are going to be solving the question above. The question is based on circuit analysis. This is an exam-based question for every electrical engineering student. All right, the question says we should find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. If you look at this circuit carefully, you will observe that this circuit is based on symmetry. So no current is going to flow between this resistor and this resistor. So we are going to remove this resistor from this circuit. So we are going to be redrawing the diagram in this part, and then we are going to start our analysis. All right, so I believe we now understood this diagram clearly. So we have removed this because the circuit is based on symmetry. All right, so and hence no current is going to flow through these two resistors. All right, so now you are going to observe that this and this, they are in series, and not only that, from this point like this, everything here, they are all in series, and this and these two, they are also in series. This and this, they are also in series. So let's take them one after the other. RT1. All right, so we're having 1 2 3 4 4R. That is R plus R plus R plus R, which is going to give us what? 4R. All right, so this and this, let's take it to be RT2. They are in series, so it's going to be R plus R, which is going to give us what? 2R. All right, so this and this again, let's take it to be RT3. So R plus R, which is going to give us 2R. All right, so that's what we are going to have. So now we can therefore redraw the circuit now. So I think we just manage this part to draw the circuit. All right, so you can see here is our diagram. R plus R, R plus R plus R plus R is 4R. So this is it here. R plus R is 2R. R plus R is also 2R. Then this R remain there. All right, that is this resistor and this resistor. So if you look at this 4R and this 2R, they are in parallel, right? So we are going to clean this side. So let's resolve that there. So we stop at RT3. So we'll continue with RT4. So we are saying that 4R is parallel to what? To 2R. So it means that RT4 will be equals to 4R multiplied by 2R divided by 4R plus 2R. All right, so this is going to give us 8R squared all over 6R. This will go in this, and 2 can go in 8. 2 in 8 is 4. 2 in 6 is 3. So we are going to have this to be equals to 4R all over what? 3. All right, so RT4 is equals to 4R all over what? 3. So it means that we can therefore clean this part, and here we are going to clean this. So we are going to replace what we have there with 4R all over 3. All right, so you are going to see now clearly that this and this, they will be in series, right? So now let's continue with RT5. RT5 will therefore be equals to R plus 4R all over 3 plus what? Plus R, right? All right, so this will be equals to 3R, 3R. 3R plus 4R, that is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6, but that is 10R. So we are going to have 10R over 3. So RT5 is equals to 10R over 3. So it therefore means that we can therefore clean everything that we have and connect. Okay, let me just do it. Though I love showing you diagrammatically one after the other. All right, so here now, and therefore so I'm going to connect this directly. All right. So now we can therefore clean this. So this is going to be 10R all over 3. So you can see now that we can therefore find the equivalent resistor now. So the equivalent resistor now, this and this, they are now in parallel. So let's look for the equivalent resistance. All right, so the equivalent resistance now will be equals to 10R all over 3 multiplied by 2R all over 10R all over 3 plus 2R. All right. So this will be equals to 20R squared all over 3 divided by 3 times this is 6, right? So 6R plus 10R, that is 16R. 16R all over what? 3. All right. So this therefore will be equals to 20R squared all over 3 times 3 all over 16R. I hope we understand. All right, so 3 will go with 3, R will go with 1R here. 4 here is 5, 4 here is 4. All right, so our final answer now, our final answer will be equals to 5R all over what? All over 4 ohms. So here is the solution to the above question. I believe it is well simplified. And don't forget that we have a well structured and written material on circuit analysis on everything you just watch. If you want this material to get into your inbox, just go to our description. You see our WhatsApp link, and you can also message us by our email. Our email address is also on our description. Anyhow it pleases you, can send your message and order for any of these material, either on circuit analysis, on the strength of material, or on thermodynamics, or any other courses that we have treated.